Hey everybody, I have found a really cool craft that I want to share with y'all. It's really cool, I think. What you're going to need is some shaving cream. I'm using 2 pie pans, some food coloring, any colors, and a spatula. And then cut pieces of cardstock just to fit inside whatever pie pan you use. And what we're going to do... Okay, we'll do the yellow. We're going to put the shaving cream
Let's do that.
inside the pan, like that. And then we're going to put the food coloring on top of the shave cream.
I see yellow.
You see yellow?
Yeah.
And I have yellow. I'm going to put some pink.
I like pink.
I like pink too. And get some blue.
Blue. That's right.
So right now it looks like this. And I'm going to use a craft stick just to kind of swirl it a little. There's no wrong way to do it.
How about
So now it's going to look that. We're going to use that in a second, you'll see. And I have my piece of cardstock. You're going to press it onto the shaving cream like that. And then pick it up. So far it looks like this, right? Pretty cool. And then I'm going to move this one away. I'm going to get this pie pan now and use the scraper. We made marbled paper. See? Pretty neato, huh? Hope y'all have fun doing it. It is a little messy, but it's really neat and it's really fun. Let me know how y'all like it. Have a good day.